Okay, so I realize going back through all of these videos that I keep using the word diet and lifestyle very intentionally in different places. Now, even though we already know what the difference is between a diet and a lifestyle, right? A diet is usually goal oriented, short term, and somebody else probably put it in your mind. Whereas a lifestyle is a true change. You wanting to adhere to something for the long term that is going to make you feel good, look good, and feel good about the way you look, right? So that's all great. But what's the actual difference between those words? What do they indicate to us as people? A diet tends to indicate restriction. It tends to say you have to eat this way and exactly this way for the next period of time, or that goal that you have is shot to crap. And the honest to God truth is that it isn't. Yes, diets tend to be shorter, so you do have to be a little bit stricter with them. They're usually less than 3 months long between whenever the diet is to the goal date. Sometimes people try to go for a year, but those don't usually seem to work. Instead, what would work better is a lifestyle, right? And a lifestyle is I know that I eat this way and I want to eat this way, but a healthier version of this way. That is when you're really starting to see those awesome changes that you want to see. When you start to understand that just because you didn't actually stick to that diet for a day or 2 days, you're not going to die. Now, again, a lifestyle, you understand as a lifestyle, just like going to the gym. You might go to the gym 5 days a week, every single week for a year, and then just have a week where you're going on vacation and you don't go to the gym at all. Now, while that might be a little bit weird on our psyche, we understand that once we get back to our normal routine, the gym thing will naturally happen because that's a part of our normal routine. The same can happen with food. Just because you have one slip up, just because you have one meal that you get to eat or a cheat meal, right? Just because you accidentally eat that chocolate cake, and by accident I mean you didn't want to, but the chocolate cake was sitting there and just somehow it just so happened to fall into your mouth. And then there's also the holidays, right? Those are all cheat times of the year. And because it's a lifestyle, you're going to naturally go back to it. Your body's going to flow back into wanting to eat those foods and everything's going to be good and okay. So essentially the difference between diet and lifestyle, just in the word, is diet, negative, restrictive. Lifestyle, opportunity, and positive. Know that a lifestyle change really is something that's going to happen for you in the long term.